flowchart for the search song and album for the Jukebox app. So we start at the top with the green oval at start, and then we move to the user input. So that's the first thing that's going to be necessary for the app to execute this responsibility. So the user input is going to be the song's name, which is known as pname. Next, we have to make sure the response is set to null, so that if there is no song in the album that the user searches for, it will return null. Then next we set the index equal to 0, and then we start with the conditions. So we start with a loop where as long as I is less than the song size, which is just how many songs are in the album, the loop will continue. If that is yes, then the response, we check to see if the response is equal to null. If that is yes, then current song equals song.getI, which is the index. Then the name is going to be the current song. Then we check to see if the name of the current song matches pname, which is the user input. If yes, the response is the current song and I is added to 1. If no, I is added to 1 and the loop starts over again. Whenever the loop finishes, it will return the response of the song, or it will return the output response that the song does not exist in the album, and the loop will end. So overall, we start at the beginning, have the user input, have the functionalities and the requirements for the for loop and an if loop within the for loop. Then we get an user output, or I'm sorry, not a user output. The computer gives an output that the song either exists or does not, and it ends.